Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to the math session. In our previous session, we have completed our part 5 of chapter 11. In today's session, we will begin our new part, that is part 6. So let's start Mathematics Standard 5, chapter 11, Area and its Boundary, part 6. In your textbook, this topic is given King's Story on page number 157. You can open your textbook. The king was very happy with Carpenter Chagu and Anar. They had made a very big and beautiful bed for him. So, as a gift, the king wanted to give some land to Chagu and some gold to Anar. Chagu was happy. He took 100 meters of wire and tried to make different rectangle. Right? Now, what gift Chagu get from the king? Happy. He took 100 meters of wire and tried to make a different rectangle. Right? Because as a gift, Chagu got land from the king and Anar got gold items, right? He made a 10 meter into 40 meter rectangle. Its area was 400 square meter. If we find the area of both the measurement 10 meter as well as 40 meter, then we will get answer 400 square meter. So he next made a 30 meter into 20 meter rectangle. Now what will be the area of this two, length and breadth? So area will be 600 square meter. How we will know that? When we will put the value in our formula, area of rectangle equal to length multiplied by width, we will get answer 600 because 3 2s are 6 and that 20 we will add with 6. So it will be 600 square meter. What is its area? It is more than first rectangle. Obviously it is more than first rectangle because in the first rectangle we have got the measurement 400 square meter, while in second one we have got the measurement 600 square meter. So second rectangle's measurement is more, right? Let's see through the calculation. This is the question which we have already read from our textbook part. Now method, as I have told you, area of rectangle equal to length multiplied by width. So 30 multiplied by 20, it will be 600 square meter. Our another question is, what other rectangle can he make with 100 meter of wire? If Chagu have 100 meter wire, then how many rectangles he can make, right? So first, a rectangle of 45 meter and 5 meter. Suppose we are taking our length 45 meter and breadth 5 meter, then what will be the area? 45 5s are 225. When you will find with the help of rough calculation, you will get your answer 225 square meter. Okay. Now second option, area of our second rectangle, that is of length 35 meter and breadth 15 meter. So 35 multiplied by 15, you will get answer 525 square meter. Option C, rectangle of 25 meter and 25 meter, both length and width are same, so we can say this is rectangle shape. So 25 multiplied by 25, answer will be 625 square meter. Discuss which of these rectangle will have the biggest area. We have seen total A, B and C, three type of rectangle whose area is bigger. So obviously the rectangle of square, we can say, of 25 meter into 25 meter has the biggest area because answer is 625 and answer of rest two rectangle are 225 and 525. So 625 will be the bigger one. Okay. Now Chagu's wife asked him to make a circle with the wire. She knew it had an area of 800 square meter. Why did Chegu not choose rectangle? Explain. Now, what is said here? That Chegu's wife asked him or said him to make a circle shape instead of rectangle shape, and she knew it had an area 800 square meter. Why did Chegu not choose a rectangle? Explain. So answer will be, the biggest area of rectangle is 25 into 25 meter, right? That is 625 square meter. Its area is 625 square meter. If we make a circle, its area is 800 square meter. It is bigger than the area of rectangle. So Chegu did not choose rectangle. Thus, Chegu got the land which has 800 square meter area. अब रेक्टेंगल शेप का चॉइस उसने क्यों नहीं किया है? क्योंकि रेक्टेंगल में मैक्सिमम क्या आ रहा था, उसका एरिया 625. बट अगर वो सर्कल शेप में फॉर्म कर रहा है और फेंसिंग कर रहा है तो 800 स्क्वायर मीटर उसका एरिया है, तो ऑब्वियसली किस में ज़्यादा आएगा? सर्कल शेप में. तो वो रेक्टेंगल चूज नहीं करेगा. Our next question. The king told Anar that he will give him as much gold wire which can make a boundary for land with area 800 square meter. So Anar also tried many different ways to make a boundary for 800 square meter of land. Right? Now our next part, that is given on page number 158. You can see in your textbook. Now, in that what is written? He made rectangle A, B and C of different sizes. Find out the length of boundary of each. How much gold wire will he get for these rectangles? Here we can see in A, B and C, total 3 rectangles are made for us. And what is written in rectangle A? 40 meter and 20 meter. And here blank is also given. Gold wire for A equal to dash meter. Right? So let us see through the calculation. This is the picture given in our textbook, that is of 40 meter and 20 meter. So area of rectangle A is 40 meter into 20 meter. Length of its wire equal to perimeter. Perimeter formula 2 into bracket length plus breadth. We will keep this formula because rectangle shape is given. So this formula we will put. Now we will put the value in it. So length is 40 meter and breadth is 20 meter. So first we will do the addition, that is 40 plus 20, it will be 60. And when we will open this bracket, it will be multiplied. So 60 multiplied by 2, it will be 120 meter. So we can say 120 meter wire will be needed to cover this rectangle. Now next one. If Anar chose this rectangle, then measurement of this rectangle is 80 meter and 10 meter. So we will find as it is in we have found in the first one, that is in this rectangle 40 multiplied by 20. In the same way we will find out for another rectangle also. First put the formula 2 into bracket length plus breadth. Put the value, length 80 meter and breadth 10 meter. So 80 plus 10, it will be 90, and 90 will be multiplied by 2 when we will open our bracket. So 90 multiplied by 2, it will be 180. So he will get 180 meter gold wire for rectangle B. Now C rectangle. The length of C rectangle is 800 meter while breadth is 1 meter. So area of rectangle C, it will be 800 meter multiplied by 1, and perimeter will be 2 into bracket length plus breadth. So we will put the value in it. 2 multiply by, instead of length we will keep 800 and here 1. So 800 plus 1, it will be 801, and when we will open our bracket it will be multiplied with 2. So 801 multiplied by 2, you will get your answer 1602, or you can say 1602. So he will get 1602 meter gold wire for rectangle C. Now, but then Anar made an even longer rectangle of 8000 meter into 0.1 meter, so he will get dash meter of gold wire, right? Now area will be 8000 multiplied by 0.1, and the perimeter will be 2 into bracket length plus breadth, this formula. Instead of length you will keep now 8000 value, because here we are taking our length 8000. So instead of length you will keep 8000, and instead of breadth you will keep here now 0.1. okay, so 8000 plus 0.1 will be 8000.1, and 8000.1 multiplied by 2, you will get your answer around 6000, not exactly 16000 but around 16000. That is why here this type of sign is given. So he will get 16,000 meter gold wire for rectangle D. Now you understood why the king fainted. The king fainted because he could not arrange so much as long the wire for rectangle D of gold. And our last question, can you make a rectangle with a still longer boundary? इससे भी ज़्यादा longer boundary का आप rectangle form कर सकते हो? What will be the answer? Yes, I can make a rectangle of 80,000 meter multiplied by 0.01. Earlier we had taken 8,000 measurement as length and 0.1 as breadth. Here we are taking now 80,000. 80,000 multiplied by 0.01. So length of its wire. Perimeter's formula 2 into bracket length plus breadth. Length will be 80,000 and breadth will be 0.01 multiplied by 2. So what will be the first of all answer of addition? 80,000.01. 80,000.01 will be multiplied with 2, and you will get your answer almost equal to 1,60,000. Clear? So what will be the statement? So I need 1,60,000 meter gold wire for this rectangle. Here we will not keep equal to sign because equal to will be exact amount, but here we will not get exact amount, we will get around 60,000, 1,60,000 amount. Okay, so here we will put this sign only. Okay, instead of equal to, here we will put this sign. Here we are completing our this part 6 session. Okay, till that, bye, thank you and take care.